In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Glassdoor account. By the end, you'll be ready to explore jobs, salary insights, and company reviews with confidence. Start by opening your preferred web browser on your computer or phone. In the address bar, go to glassdoor.com/join. If that exact page doesn't load, just visit glassdoor.com and look for a Join or Sign Up option near the top of the page. Both paths lead you to the same place. On the Sign Up screen, choose how you want to create your account. You can sign up with your email or connect a Google, Facebook, or Apple account. Using a connected account is quick and avoids creating a new password, but it links your login to that provider. The email option is simple and works anywhere, so pick what feels right for you. As a tip, it's usually best to use a personal email rather than a work address, so you can keep your job search separate. If you choose the email method, type in your email address and create a strong password you'll remember. Aim for a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and consider using a password manager to keep it secure. Enter your full name as you want it to appear. Depending on your region, you may also be asked for details like your job title or location. This helps personalize your experience and improve search results. Before proceeding, review the terms of use and privacy policy. When you're comfortable, check the box to agree. This is required for your account to work, and it explains how Glassdoor handles your information. Now click the Create Account button to submit the form. You'll be prompted to verify your email, which protects your account and confirms you have access to that inbox. Open your email and look for a message from Glassdoor. If it doesn't arrive within a minute or two, refresh your inbox and check spam or promotions folders. When you find it, open the message and click the confirmation link to activate your account. If the link has expired, request a new verification from the sign-up page. Once your email is verified, return to Glassdoor and log in. Use your email and the password you created. If you connected Google, Facebook, or Apple, click that same button again to sign in. You're all set. You now have a Glassdoor account ready to help you search for roles, compare salaries, and read or share company reviews as you move forward in your job hunt.